Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Junaid of grade 8. Today I will be explaining the exercise in chemical effects of electric current. We can see that this is a circuit. If we take a free end wire and connect it to the free disabled matchbox and keep it a compass needle inside it, and we wrap a free wire around the box and we connect it to the top opposite terminal of the battery. Then we leave the wire aside. Then we take another wire and connect it to the opposite terminal of the battery. And if we join the two ends of the wire to a tester, if the compass needle shows deflection, it means the circuit is proper. Instead of keeping a tester, we can test in any liquids like lime juice and water. If it shows deflection, then we can hence say that liquids also are a good conductor of electricity. And
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zar Ahmad. I'm studying in grade 8.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tawkir Ahmad. I am studying grade 8.
This is the model of electric fan and LED. This is the demo of this is the model of electric fan circuit, and I have connected with the battery and switch. It will work by wires, and that bulb has a switch and battery with wires I have connected.
An electric fan works on a simple circuit. When we switch on the fan, electric current flows from the battery to the fan motor and a LED light. When the motor rotates, the LED light glows to show the circuit is working. The motor changes into electric energy into mechanical energy. When the switch is off, the circuit is open and no current flows. Jazakallah.